Welcome to SaadX. This video I'm going to solve two question answer based on algebraic expression. I realize this question is very important and I'm trying to solve step by step. Let's get started. Thank you. If x square minus root 2x plus 1 equals to 0, we have to find which expression is correct. So first, here is answer given x square minus root 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So from here we can write x square plus 1 equals to minus root 2x. We can transfer to right side. It means we are adding root 2x both sides. Now we can take common x. So here will be x plus 1 by x equals to root 2x. Then we can divide both sides by x. So this x and this x will be out. So we can write x plus 1 by x equals to root 2. Okay. Now look, first expression is right. Here is x plus 1 by x equals to root 2. Second one, here is left hand side x square plus 1 by x square, right? So this one we can write here x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x 1 by x. We know the rule. Rule is a square plus b square. It means a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? Then we can write here is x plus 1 by x. We already get from number 1. This is root 2. So root 2 whole square minus this x and this x out, here is 2. So root 2 square means 2 and here is minus 2 equals to 0. Now look, right hand side is also 0. Here is x square plus 1 by x square equals to 0. Okay. Number 3, x cube plus 1 by x cube. So we can write number 3 x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is left hand side. So we know the rule, which is x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 times x times 1 by x times x plus 1 by x, right? Now x plus 1 by x from 1 we already get, which is root 2. So we can write here root 2 and this is cube minus this x and this x out, so here is 3 times here is x plus 1 by x also root 2. Now root 2 cube, it means 2 root 2 and here is minus 3 root 2. It means our answer is minus root 2. This is right hand side, is a similar thing. Here is also x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to minus root 2. That means everything is correct. So number 1, 2, 3 all correct. So which of the following is correct? Number D is correct. If 1 by a equals to 3 plus 2 root 2, find the correct value of a minus 1 by a. So here is given, look, here is given 1 by a equals to 3 plus 2 root 2. But we also need the value of a. Therefore, this one we can write just we can write like a equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. It's the same thing, right? But in denominator we cannot keep any root sign, therefore we can make like 3 plus 2 root 2, and this fraction we will multiply by 3 minus 2 root 2, both numerator and denominator. It means 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, now look, this one is 3 minus 2 root 2, and it's looking a plus b times a minus b, so it's a 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Okay, so then 3 minus 2 root 2, and 3 square means 3, minus 2 square is a 4, and root 2 square is a 2, so 4 times 2 is a 4, 8. But here we did a mistake, which is 3 square means 9. Now 3 minus 2 root 2, 9 minus 8 is a 1, so we can write 3 minus 2 root 2. Now our target a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a, we can write a means 3 minus 2 root 2, then minus 1 by a already given, which is 3 plus 2 root 2. So we can write 3 plus 2 root 2. Now look, here is 3 minus 2 root 2. It's a minus 3, and plus and minus, minus 2 root 2. Now look, 3 and minus 3 out, and here is minus 2 root 2 and minus 2 root 2. So we can write minus 4 root 2. This is our answer. So now we will check which one is the correct one. So number A here is minus 4 root 2. This is our correct answer. Thank you.